We are in Oak Hill Cemetery, located on University Drive in Pontiac, Michigan. Coming up to the gravesite of one Otis Hicks, aka Lightning Slim. Let's see here. He was born on March 13th of 1913 and died on July 27th of 1974. He was known as the King of the Blues in Louisiana. He was born in St. Louis, Missouri, I believe. He wrote such songs as Lonesome Cabin Blues, Voodoo Blues, and Bad Luck Blues. Cause of death in 1974 was cancer. It is unknown to me at the time what form of cancer he died of, but that's that. So here's his gravesite. It's a nice little monument. So there you go.